Indiana lawmakers are moving forward with a bill aimed at reducing prescription drug costs. State House reporter Kristen Eskow says that Senate Republicans say it's one of their top priorities this session.
A patient's going to save hundreds of dollars.
George Huntley of the Diabetes Patient Advocacy Coalition says that's how much money he believes Hoosiers could save on medications if a State House proposal becomes law. The bill focuses on pharmacy benefit managers, or PBMs, which process prescription drug claims. They're the middlemen who negotiate prices with drug manufacturers.
The average rebate's half the price of the drug. So if you are not protected by this, you're literally paying double what your insurance plan is paying for that same drug.
The bill would require pharmacy benefit managers to pass on at least 85% of their cost savings from rebates and discounts to the patient. Huntley says that would lead to a big drop in many of the drug prices you pay.
A vial of insulin is going to list at about $270. The net price of insulin should be closer to $70.
But opponents argue it's not that simple. Joey Fox, who testified against the bill on behalf of CareSource and the National Trade Group for PBMs, believes drug makers need to be part of the solution.
The best way to lower the price of drugs is to lower the price of drugs. If the price weren't so high, my clients wouldn't have to be there negotiating discounts.
State Senator Liz Brown, the only lawmaker to vote against the bill in committee, says she's worried the bill won't have much of an impact. She argues drug manufacturers should also provide more transparency when it comes to pricing.
We're only picking one piece of the problem, and I'm not really sure that's really going to make a difference in the end.
From the Indiana State House, I'm Kristen Eskow.
Now, that bill passed out of committee this week with nearly unanimous support. It now heads to the Senate floor.